Konti na lang ang pasyente natin. We're not accepting critical patients since we closed down our ICU. So yung natitira natin dito, 9 na lang sila lahat sa labas. Ang maraming patients natin is in the auditorium, yung ating OB wards. So the OB wards is there, the delivery room is there, the neonatal ICU is there. Kasi hindi naman pwede hindi namin asikasuhin whatever babies will arrive. No, hindi naman natin pwedeng piliin na lahat term. So we have to take care of the preterms also. But as soon as we take care of them, we refer them to either Soto or CPH Danao. And the ER also, we have to vacate the ER kasi restricted siya post-disaster, as well as the operating room. The operating room, we have one. It's there in the outpatient department. And so far, since disaster, we have already catered to 19 surgeries na. So nakakapag-service pa naman din po tayo kahit ganito pa ang situation ng ospital natin. Wala naman po tayong major structural damage. Lahat po ng damages natin ay lang siya, non-structural, yung mga plasters lang according to the DPWH. Andito naman kaagad sila day 2 post-disaster. They evaluated the structural engineers as well as DPWH, 4th Engineering Office and Region 7. Andito naman sila. As you can see naman, intact lahat ng mga glass fixtures natin. So I'm so relieved. Pagka-critical, refer. Pero kasi ang tao, ayaw nilang iwanan yung... That's our issue talaga, na ayaw magpa-refer. So pag gano'n ang nangyayari, they will have to stay at the ER and then we'll just have to wait it out. We are beyond grateful, no? Sa lahat na mabilisan na pag-repair ng mga damages ng hospital, we are beyond grateful. And mabilis talaga. After the 6.9, I think day 4, day 5, ayos na sila. But when the 5.8 came, so hindi naman malaking damage, pero nasira na naman. So back to square one na naman yung ating mga contractors. Pero okay lang naman sila, mabilis lang naman silang gumawa. So thank you so much. I think, God willing, stronger quakes, barring stronger quakes, we'll make it by the end of the month. We can bring patients in already and we'll be more comfortable. Preparedness is key. No, if not for all the trainings that we went through with DOH, with LGU Bugo, we will not be as quick to respond. But through it all and underneath, we are so grateful for everything that we have received, most especially the manpower who assisted us. On the second hour lang ng disaster, andito na kaagad sila. So we are more than grateful. Beyond grateful, yun talaga ang hashtag namin dito.